See that mango right there? We're gonna go get it.
Yeah, so this big mango tree in my backyard, it has never had flowers on it. When I moved in, I cut back the tree a couple of times just because it was way too out of control. And because I cut it back a couple of times in these almost 3 years, it has never produced anything. So this year, I was surprised to see that it has all these flowers and all of these little fruits started growing. Very exciting.
This mango either fell off the tree by itself or it was picked by someone. I suspect the latter. But look, it's not even ready. And look how big it is. These are gonna be so good.
So Carlos works for me every Friday morning, and he tells me that we can harvest some mangoes today. Look at the size of that. Pero ¿cómo tú sabes cuando es listo?
Amarillo y suave, poco amarillo.
Amarillo y
Sí,
suave.
suave.
Yellow and soft. Okay.
Esto,
¿No todo bien?
bien. Otro plan.
Carlos puede poner cerca de su cabeza para ver el tamaño. Ok, perfecto.
Aquí se te puede esperar.
But look at this.
So what Carlos tells me is when you can see the red and the yellow and it's soft. So this part is kind of hard still, but I think it'll still ripen in my house. So there you go, another mango.
So here I am in my little casita in my kitchen, and I am using just a portion of this first mango and 2 bananas, some ice, and some ice cold water, and I am going to make a delicious smoothie. So one of the things that people should be aware of when dealing with this fruit, it is delicious and it smells great. It is a little bit hard to work with. It's hard to cut because the pip is such so big and it's in such an odd shape that it's hard to work around. But you get the hang of it after a while. But there's something even more important to pay attention to. So mangoes, the skin, the sap, and the leaves, they all have a substance in them, and it's called urushiol. It's like an oily substance, and it is the same chemical that is found in poison ivy and poison oak and poison sumac. So some people have a reaction to it and some people do not. Thankfully, I do not, but I saw a little boy one time and he had like this big kind of blistery burn on his face and it was from mango juice. And I've seen other people with it on their hands. So people have quite a strong reaction to it in some cases. So just be careful if you are dealing with mangoes. Maybe just don't overdo it the first time and see if you do have a reaction to it. But yeah, I will continue on making this little smoothie, and so looking forward to drinking this, and so happy that my tree is finally producing. And these mangoes are big, and they're called mango papaya. At least locally, that's what they are called. I don't know what their scientific name is. But yeah, I'm putting in a portion of that first mango, 2 bananas, some ice, and some ice cold water, and that is all.
delicious.